California's right to die law went into effect Thursday, making it legal for terminally ill residents to end their lives. The law, signed in October by Governor Jerry Brown, is called the End of Life Option Act. It lets physicians provide lethal prescriptions to adults with terminal illnesses who have a life expectancy of 6 months or less.
I think until anyone has walked a mile in my shoes and knows what they're facing.
California's law was inspired by Brittany Maynard, who, after being diagnosed with terminal brain cancer, left the state, her home, and moved her family to Oregon in 2014, where she could legally end her life.
No one should have to leave their home and community for peace of mind, to escape suffering, and to plan for a gentle death.
California is now the 5th state in the country to have legislation making physician-assisted suicide legal. It modeled its End of Life Option Act off of Oregon's Death with Dignity Act, which has been in effect for almost 20 years and requires the patient be able to self-administer the medication. There are still many who object to the idea of physician-assisted suicide, including the American Medical Association, which is one of the nation's largest physician groups. Its policy on the issue reads, instead of participating in assisted suicide, physicians must aggressively respond to the needs of patients at the end of life. Patients should not be abandoned once it's determined that cure is impossible. Similar aid in dying legislation has been introduced in many other states, including New York, Minnesota, and Colorado. For Newsy, I'm Catherine Beek.